Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily take a screenshot on your PC in Windows 11. In the Windows 11, we have got a latest feature of taking a screenshot, which is very easy. For taking a screenshot in Windows 11 in your PC, it is very easy. So first of all, for taking a screenshot, you have to click on the print screen button in your keyboard. After you click on the print screen button in your keyboard, you will be able to see this particular screen. Now you have to select the area which you want to take screenshot. I have selected the whole screen. After you leave the cursor, your PC will take the screenshot of that particular selected area. Now it's I will tell you where you will see this screenshot that your PC has taken. You will have to go to my PC, or you can say this PC. After you go to this PC, you have to click on the pictures on the left side. Then you will see a screenshot option here, screenshot folder here. You can see that in the screenshot folder, this is my screenshot that I have taken in front of you. Thank you for watching this video.